About got him. You remember that one time you ran me over because I was trying to keep you from going out of gate? You and me, we got beef. Let's see what's going on out in the heifer pen. Hello, girls. Saw her tail kinked a little bit. 5'11". 5'11's thinking about it. Well, she finally had him here about an hour ago. Well, it hasn't started snowing too bad yet, but I don't know if it's gonna get to 5 to 8 inches today or not. Hey, buddy. You're alright. Get your mom in here and clean you up. Might have to put her in the warming box. Gonna have to mix up a bottle for old twin here. See if we can't go get her mother in. That should be her right there. Thought it was supposed to be north-northwest, but it's coming more of a north-northeast. So anything born out here is gonna have to go right to the barn. That's her right there. Hey, honey. Here. Hey, sister. Hey, girl. Take it to your calf. Little slick. Hi, hi, hi. Nice heifer. Here, sister. No, no, no. We ain't going that way. Oh, you just calm down. The old wind's got these girls a little worked up. I'm gonna give her calf a shot of colostrum and warm her up. I don't want to put her in there because she gets stepped on. We'll get you going, sister. I'll give her some colostrum. I'm gonna set her next to her mother so she can smell her. And then I'm probably gonna get her in the warming box. Also known as the Chevy 2500. Come here, girlie. This is what you want here. So you can get out of here. I should have brought you right in. I should have brought you right in. The old warming box. She's starting to get pretty spry, ain't she, sister? She might have got stepped on, is her main problem. We'll get you back in the feed here. In the meantime, while she's warming up, I gotta give the old twin a bottle. Starting the old bottle calf chore already. I also need to kick this pair out. I'm just giving a little more time, you know, out of that wind. Of course, it isn't too bad where I'll be kicking them anyway with all the rest of the pairs. All right, Junior, I got something for you here. There you go. There you go. Well, that was an easy one. Just gonna give him 3/4 of a bottle a day, or probably for a little while, since he's brand new. No, I'm not your mother. Let me. That might be top 5 easiest first time getting a calf to take a bottle. That's where all the pairs are, right behind the house here. Here's the old pump jack. Had to rig her up a little bit. That's all right. Works like a charm. Well, we'll head through the cows and see how they're faring through all this fun weather. I see they're all piled up in this corner, a bunch of them. I mean, it's 32 degrees still, so it's not brutal cold, so they're feeling pretty good still. There's a calf out here already. It's up in the sock, but we'll make sure. Well, girls, it ain't too bad when you're out of the 40-mile-an-hour gusts, isn't it? Right over there's that calf. Looks like there's one down here by herself that I can see. Hopefully there's no calves piled in there. Oh, there's another calf right here. Dad's gonna come in here and process hay pretty shortly. Get him a little more bedding. Out for a stroll here. Old rooster Cogburn and 3 hens. What do you think, fellow? Oh no, 5 hens. I know this calf sucked, but there's that new one I see. There's a new one I see. Why don't you get him up out of the snow and take him over to the hay there, sweetheart. See if this dude got on. way he's laying down and acting, I'd say he's got on, and it kind of looks like it from here, but we've just got to make sure. Yep, he got on that front one there. Good work, Mama. They knocked it back to 1 to 3 inches of snow instead of the 5 to 8 that they were first calling, so thank God for that. Well, we'll head to the next bunch of cows. Nothing's calved in there yet, so I'm not too worried. I'm hoping they're just holding off till tomorrow. That'd be all right. It's gonna be like 40 degrees tomorrow. Heck, it's gonna be 70 degrees next week, so all this stuff will be melted off. We need the moisture anyway. We're dry. There's the legend himself, Smurf the Hereford. I gotta get him out of here next couple days because he'll probably go trying to suck something if I don't. Well, these old girls are tucked in pretty good. This pen here is a little cleaner than the last one. A lot less cows though too. We just moved them in here yesterday. What do you girls think? No calves so far today, huh? This gal's calmed down, so that calf's all warmed up, nice and toasty. We'll put her back in here. She kind of moved the old Sioux gate here. All right, girls, what's going on out here? Anything? Lucky, I think we got through most of the AI heifers, so we're kind of switching over to bull bred, so they'll be just a little bit, you know, they'll be coming later on. Right now, there's a couple that are pretty tight bags that'll probably be today, but not right now, anyways. Got a new one here in the heifer pen. I think this one's just starting, and it's that one's calf. I'll have to figure that out. Well, we got 2 heifers claiming the same calf. One of them's just starting, one of them had one. So I gotta bring one in for sure. We'll move old lady here. Heifer. Quit it. Take her out. Take her out of here. You don't get to stay in here. You gotta go out in the snow. Bah. You idiot! I swear, if I gotta get you back in for beating on your calf, we're gonna have a dog fight. Now what's happening to calf? She's claiming the other ones, so I gotta get them separated. I'm gonna get one calving into the barn so she quits claiming. I'll probably end up getting that one into the barn too. He's right in a bad spot, not in the hay, but we'll get this old girl in first. Your calf, not your calf. All right, honey. There. Just gotta get you separated so you quit claiming and have your own. All right. That way, little honey over there can get her calf cleaned up. Even though I'm gonna have to get him in the barn anyway, but we'll get her in a bit. We need this girl in here. She's just starting. Had to bring a handful in, but get her sorted off and in the barn. Well, I got those 2 on the end that are calving in here. I've got the one that calved in here. I gotta bring. Come on. There. There. Just gotta go grab her calf. It's clear out there in the crap. Here, let's get you in the inside. She's good. Well, just waiting on them 2 heifers that were calving. We got into the barn to calve. Hopefully, don't have to pull 1 or 2. Bet you guys didn't know Chevy makes a warming box. Here's that little heifer we brought in this morning. Looking pretty good. I'm gonna go put her back in with her mother, and hopefully that situation works good. Had to change coats. My last coat was so covered in calf slime, my damn heifers were trying to lick me off. We might have to get that heifer in. Come on, Mama. I gotta get some chains. Alright, Mama. Let me just help you out here. It's not looking too good. Oh, come on, Mama. Get back at him. Couple more push. One more. One more. Get back at him. Still alive. Still good. There we go. See how his tongue's starting to swell up a little? She was working pretty good. Oh, yeah. Hey, Junior. Here we go. There you go, hack some of that out. Sometimes you pick them up, they'll get some of that slime out of it. Yeah, there you go. Get some of that act out of there. Well, that's one way to do her. And the problem is, this girl hasn't progressed much. So, well, at least that calf, that's one I carried in. He's up sucking. She ain't progressing much, but that's alright. She'll be alright for a little bit. Well, good work, lady. We went a few rounds this morning, but, you know, we got it figured out. Now we just need you to calve and we'll be good to go. Well, I just changed it into this nice clean coat. Already got crap on it. That's the way she goes. Now, nobody come out this gate while I'm driving through. Well, we didn't really get the blizzard that they were calling for. The wind got up to, you know, 50-mile-an-hour gusts and all that jazz, but we didn't get the snow. Last night they were telling, you know, Weather Channel said 5 to 8 inches. Then this morning it said 1 to 3. We probably got 1 to 3. Didn't get much. Maybe, I don't know, 2 inches. Most of it's melting before it, you know, as it hits the ground. Well, we got problems here. Not real problems, but this girl here has a terrible bag. A terrible bag. Don't judge her, okay? She's self-conscious of her bag. But that calf ain't gonna get on that bag. So I'm gonna have to get another bucket calf. You should have went to town last year. He might have got on the one front quarter, but I mean, he acts like he sucked. He did get on. He got on that one quarter, but the only problem is I'm not sure if that thing's dead or not. He looks good. Looks like he's, you know, doing all right, but that quarter might be dead, so I'm gonna have to watch him. Me and 15, 18 here go way back. We've had a few dog fights. But she's got a great bag, and she raises good calves, so, you know, and keeps a guy on his toes. Got to keep him around. Better get my track shoes out to tag that calf tomorrow. She's something. Dad's heading in to do process off a little hay. This old girl had her. But what's the deal here? What's the deal? It's on his head. Here, buddy. Oh, that better? A little more comfy. Well, I'm heading in. I'll be back in a couple hours. It's 31 degrees right now, so right now I ain't doing too bad. They're all tucked in for the night. That's a fairly new one right there, but he's already up and sucked. Thank God for those cedar trees.